Is this metal design cool? Do you want to make one by yourself? When at home, friends usually use handheld torches to cut metal. However, the handheld cutting tests the user's cutting skills, and it is difficult to cut the delicate cuts. Recently, there is a new equipment appeared, which is compact, smart, and affordable. Now I will show you how to use the plasma cutting machine to cut out metal artwork. First, I design the file. Next, I input the graphic file into the system box to read the data. Now the machine is cutting according to the graphics. Okay guys, this is the whole process of cutting metal into the art. So the metal parts, the billboards, the decorations, and the DIY models, all of that can be made the same way. I hope this video is useful for you. See you next time.